came by collecting money for Winston Chu yesterday.
He would never do such a thing. He's a sweet boy.
Why do you think Dirty Ming sold me a jacket and said it was from Cheng and Sui?
What, can I help you? Here.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took it.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie.
Whoa!
What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby.
Haul? What haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of... Ah!
Who the hell steals CRT monitors?
Yeah, it's gotta be worth something, right? Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
Wait,
Come and get me!
俾唔俾你死蠢！你死撚啊！
get me!
俾唔俾你啊死橙？
仆街冚家鏟！
佢哋咪係啊！
要趕住趕手！
睇下邊個正契弟？你老母仆街冚家鏟！將佢斬成兩！打撚爆你個頭啊！
佢唔掂啊！點得佢？
Oh yeah, get him! Get him, that's right!
你未夠班同我打啊！哇！哇！嚇死我啊！
等多陣聽你啊！一打親你啊！
呀！